So we will be covering game week 14. Before we move ahead, we will talk about our last game week scout, which was pretty bang. I had 88 points from my scout team.
Just
So
88.
just 88 man, like 56 from like 10 players and then 32 from Salah. I had Salah
Salah.
captain in this one as well. So imagine if it didn't start that game, and if it had didn't started, it's like FPL team would have been gone, and then this my scout team would have gone as well. So I had Martinez who gave me 6, Chilwell with 1, obviously, Robertson with 10, Reece James 0. I had went with Chilwell and Reece James here as well, so F me. They return scores
Yeah.
of 1 and 0. I had Sun with 2 points, 117, KDB 5. Wilson I had him, I got in 9. Kane with 2, obviously. Arvind is dead. I had DCL with 4. And Captain Salah. So without Captain I had 56. And then captaining him 32, 88 points. Moving on with Arvind, he was absent. So nil. We have PPK.
Pickford bailed on me, so I got 2 from Pickford. My captain got me 2 points. My vice captain got me 0. My captain was Ollie Watkins, who got a goal, but
Offside.
FPL decided not to give him.
Yeah.
Lamprey decided not to show up.
Yep.
Then I had Connor Cody, Robo.
Scam 2020.
Scam.
I had Robo with 10, Salah with 16, Sun and Podence
To each.
sad, Grealish with 10, DCL with 4, and Kane with a blank. So that was 55. If I had been like Suraj and Captain Salah, it would have affected my game week,
Yeah,
but
true.
I would have gotten more in the scout. I don't care
Yeah,
about
the thing
scout.
is, if I remove Salah from my team, I would still have 56 points. Which is this has happened a lot of times, especially when Arvind captains someone right, and he gets like something like 101, and we would get something like 50s or 60s, and he can actually take his captain out of the team, and still he would be beating us. Like this has happened a lot of times. So our game week 15 scout teams.
Ta-ta-ta.
So yeah, this is our game week 15 scout teams. A lot of people haven't subscribed. We can be asked to show you the exact number because one subs and still we are at 87 subs, and we need 13 subs in like around 7 to 8 days, which seems like a very big task. It's just because of you. Yes, you, the person watching this, you are not subscribed. It's just one red button called the subscribe button.
As
Am I
well.
supposed to point?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah,
you as well.
you.
So please do subscribe. It would mean a lot. I have tirelessly said this in the last videos, and scout videos are the one which is the most loud video in from the FPL point of view. So yeah, we will talk about our game week 15 scout teams. For me, I have a team of 3-4-3 obviously, and in goal I would have McCarthy, my favorite goalkeeper who is playing against Fulham. So I have him in my scout team. In my defense, I have Dias, Robertson, and Mina. Dias is playing against Newcastle. Robertson is playing against West Brom, and Mina is playing against someone I don't know.
Himself.
Yeah, against Wolves, yeah. So I have him, and then in my mid, obviously the golden quadrilateral of Salah, Fernandes, KDB, and Mane. This time I'm not having Son. I'm having Mane because I'm going all out for against West Brom. In my front three, I have DCL, Kane, and Che Adams. So DCL,
Adams.
yes, Che Adams. DCL plays against Sheffield is a very good pick. Kane, I think he will do something about his form in this game, and he will do something. And Che Adams is a he plays against who? He plays against
Southampton, right? Southampton is
Southampton
playing
play
Fulham,
Fulham,
I guess.
Fulham, yeah. McCarthy and he is from the same team, yeah. So he is playing as Fulham. I guess Ings is injured. I would have picked Ings, but he is injured. So I'm going with this team. So for me, the captain is Salah. Obviously, it's not something you would have to guess by now. And my vice captain is Dominic Calvert-Lewin.
So I'll go next. I have Ederson as my goalkeeper, and this is the defensive line. I would like to have Vestergaard. Like he'll get me so that header points.
Mhm.
I expect a goal from him. Robertson and Mina. Mina, I'm keeping it just for the clean sheet, and Robertson for those assists.
Mhm.
And in the mid, I have made one change.
I heard him say Mina and clean sheet, Everton and clean sheet. What is wrong with this guy? You know that Mina got a goal last week, not
I,
a clean sheet, right?
I,
I know.
the thing is, I scammed. See, Arvind won't listen this, okay, Pranav. I scammed him to take Mina, and he actually copy pasted my scout team, so he does not know. So let him keep it. So yeah. What are you talking about?
Acha, acha. I'll still keep Mina. Yeah, so in the mid, I have made one change this time. I have brought in Mane instead of Son. Like
Mhm.
I think he would score in this game. And in the forward, this is the front three that I usually have. This is DCL, Vardy, and Keane. And from in this team, I would like to captain Fernandes, Bruno Fernandes, Bruno the Flippin Fernandes, and the vice captain would be Kevin De Bruyne. Yeah, so
Good picks.
that was my scout team for game week 15. I
Yo.
don't know, what about yours?
Uh, okay. My team is having Allison in goal, Stones in the center back. I don't know why I keep
Hmm.
keep bringing Stones back. I
Hmm.
can put in Diaz, it's fine,
Yeah.
but whatever.
This.
Robertson is still here, and now a new boy has come in. I am going to ruin his life as well. His name is Thiago Silva.
Yes.
In midfield, I have Son, Salah, Kevin, and Mount.
Mount. Gareth
Yeah, I mean,
Southgate approves.
Mount?
I've turned into Gareth Southgate and sold Grealish to get in Mount.
Yeah.
That is life. And in my attack, I have Dominic Calvert-Lewin, Harry Kane, and
Ooh.
Roberto Firmino.
Ooh. So you're playing 4-4-2 with Firmino in defense.
Nice one, nice one. For a moment, I had to check. Is my formation correct? Anyways, my captain is Bobby Firmino, and my vice captain is DCL.
Yeah. Have to get them clean sheet points.
Shit points.
So yes, those are our scout picks for game week 15. Pretty
Subscribe.
yeah, pretty busy game week, and subscribe, like, share, comment, pin, post, do everything you can do, but please subscribe, man.
100 subs.
100
100
subs,
subs by the end of the year.
100 subs by 2020, or what will we do? We won't do anything. We will continue. We are not that big that we will stop making videos or anything, but yeah, it would be a big good
Make even more videos. We will spam even more.
Yes, we will spam you even more. My WhatsApp contacts are already tired of this shit. And I have to like block.
Yeah, they should have already completed.
They must have. I can't fathom the number of people who have actually muted me on WhatsApp and other social media just because of spam. And
I'm one of them.
one of my खुद का नमक खाते हो.
Imagine you're spamming Pranav with no stem link and he's muting you.
Like I've had it.
Yeah, actually the fun fact is that one of my college mates have like saved my contact as SRJ spammer. So that
It
that's
should be scammer. It should be scammer, but that's fine.
yeah, for they don't know the FPL point of view, right? That's the thing.